Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we will learn about for loop. So what's for loop? So the first of thing I will make numbers is the list of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9. And I want to loop for this number. So for number in numbers number, so this number is the each number on this. So number is 0, number is 1, number is 2 in numbers. And print number. I want to print the number. So let's make the terminal and make the run. I think make the run. So print 0 to 9. Okay. If I have nuns, name is equal Muhammad, Ahmed, Ali, and to print, I want to print these names. So for name in names, and to print name, will print all the names. So let me check Python l.py print the names. So this is for loop, and I will say goodbye.